Spirit Energy has just completed the installation of 263 high-efficiency solar panels across the maintenance shed and driving range roofs at Basingstoke Golf Club. The 118.35 kilowatt peak system will generate around 104,000 kilowatt hours of clean electricity every year, trimming energy bills by roughly £21,000 and cutting 23,430 kilograms of carbon dioxide in the first year. It forms a central pillar of the club's ongoing eco-renovation. The club's refurbishment programme targets both operating costs and environmental impact. Solar power addresses both goals at once, slashing daytime electricity spend while showcasing visible sustainability to members and guests. Design work began in October 2024, and it moved swiftly thanks to clear trapezoidal sheet metal roofing with just a few skylights and vents to work around. The specification, once agreed upon, was mostly unchanged, allowing us to progress from survey to energisation within just 3 months. The array will produce more than 104 megawatt hours every year, roughly 82.8% of which, around 86,000 kilowatt hours, will be consumed on site, because the clubhouse demand is steady all year round. The remaining 17.2%, or about 12,000 kilowatt hours, will be exported to the grid for income. In high generation months, such as June, self-consumption reaches 70%. In winter, it climbs to nearly 100%, meaning that all of the solar generation is used on site by the clubhouse. On a typical summer day, the system covers around 30% of the club's electricity needs. The financial returns are strong as well. Treating the two roofs separately, the maintenance shed is expected to yield a 37% rate of return with a net present value of £288,000 and a payback period of about 3 years. The driving range should yield a 47% rate of return with a net present value of £618,000 and have a 2-year payback period. All of this has been achieved without grants or special financing, just solar panels. As well as supplying the clubhouse, the solar install powers pumps that move harvested rainwater to the golf course lagoons, keeping the greens lush without drawing on mains electricity. The system dovetails perfectly with the broader sustainability measures across the estate. Basingstoke Golf Club now produces its own clean energy, saves tens of thousands of pounds a year, and demonstrates environmental leadership to members and visitors alike. With a 3 to 4 year payback, and over 23 tonnes of CO2 avoided annually, this is evidence that going green can be as good for the bottom line as it is for the planet. If your business or club has unused roof space, solar could be the smartest shot you take this year. Get in touch with Spirit Energy and we'll provide a free design and proposal to see what's possible on your site and work out how much your business could be saving.